On paper, Gervonta Tank Davis and King Ryan Garcia are almost identical. Tank 27-0 with 25 KOs, 93% knockout ratio. King Ryan 23-0 with 19 KOs, 82% knockout ratio. Even the collective experience of their opponents, Tank 469 wins, 125 losses with 14 draws. Garcia 347 wins, 100 losses with 14 draws. But that's where the similarities cease. Here are my top 5 reasons why I believe King Ryan Garcia will come up short against Gervonta Tank Davis. Experience. Even though, again, they're both very similar on paper, Gervonta Davis does have the slight edge in numbers, but aside from that, we've just seen him adapt to more adversity than Ryan Garcia overall. Number 2, talent. Ryan Garcia is extremely talented, has an amazing lightning-fast left hook, but I feel he's very one-dimensional, and he's just an outside fighter that doesn't really have too much experience on the inside, and that's where he's going to suffer against Tank. Number 3, chin. I just think overall Tank is more durable. We've seen him weather tougher storms, and Ryan Garcia did have that one incident against Luke Campbell. It happens, but I think that Tank would be a lot more devastating once he gets on the inside. Defense. Even though neither one of these fighters are really defensive wizards, they really rely on their offense. I gotta say, I think I've seen Tank a little more adaptable defensively, and Ryan Garcia is much more hittable, and that combined with the fact that I think that Tank has the power to put him down could be disastrous. Number 5, the catch weight. 136 pounds is definitely to the benefit of Gervonta Tank Davis. He should be right at home. He shouldn't have too much trouble making that weight. On the other hand, Ryan Garcia will be slightly out of his element, and if he has any trouble making weight, that could be disastrous. It's just going to hinder his performance. And, Gervonta only has to be right for 1 second. And Ryan's got to be right for all 12. I don't see him stopping Tank. I just think everything is stacked up pretty much overall to the advantage of Tank in this fight. But this is boxing. Anything can happen. Ryan is super talented. I'm not saying he can't win, but I just don't see it happening. Tell me what you think in the comments section. How do you see this fight playing out?